It was beautiful. It was supposed to be a beautiful moment. I was there for the debut of Scotty's ECCW SmackDown. It was me and him, but then there was Nicole. And we were gonna make some magic happen. But then Andy, you swooped in and you changed all of that. Now Nicole's taking on Billy Sway July 16th at Ballroom Brawl. And what do I got? I got nothing! Except for one thing. You. I got you. My sights are set on you. And you're gonna regret ever interrupting me on SmackDown.
SmackDown? Did you say SmackDown, Xavier? I don't want to interrupt, but then again, all's fair. You did interrupt me on my debut episode of SmackDown, so I'm going to take this time, your time, to accept the challenge that I wanted to that night at the RCC. And not for Ballroom Brawl 6 on July 16th. No, for Saturday, June 25th. At the RCC.
Scotty.
No, I got this. Don't interrupt me again. I want to accept the open challenge put out by ECCW champion El Phantasmo. I want to get my long-awaited rematch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat him, I'm going to become champ again, and no, I got this. And I'm going to go on to Ballroom Brawl 6, defending my ECCW title against Lucha Underground's Brian Cage.
So, I just got off the Skype with King Cash.
No, but I ended. That was really.
No, King Cash.
Yeah.
He already accepted the open challenge for June 25th. Scotty! There'll be other times, baby!